let me see. There are 112 files. The file name at the front with dclchen.com. Now I want to remove this website from the file name. How to do it? Maybe we should use the Python to do it. But now I don't know how to write Python program. Anyway, now we have chatGPT. Now we have chatGPT. How to write the prompt and get the code. Now let me show you. Okay, how to use chatGPT to rename file. Okay, we pair chatGPT. Use Python to rename the file name. Okay, this is our job. Okay, first is a job. The food folder is okay. It is a folder. And now we have the folder. The second, we make example for example. Here, ChatGPT, the original file name. File name is this one. Ten 22. Okay. Only file name is change to is, and then use this newer to change all the PDF file in this this folder. Okay, now we already finished the prompt. Then we can't see, and then can't we get the answer from ChatGPT? Okay, so let me copy the code. Then can't we? Okay. After this, we just run the program. Okay, finish all the file. Move the website was finished. Thank you very much.